Hi, this is Kim Turner, and in this video I'm going to be talking about conditional formatting. I'm in Microsoft Office 365 right now, and I'm looking at a spreadsheet that has a net change dollar amount column and a column with a percent change, and I'd like to highlight the negative values in red. Now I can see that some of the negative values have parentheses around them, and this is a popular way in accounting to display a negative value. So you see this 652,000, that's actually a negative 652,000. And if I want to make this negative value stand out, say to management, I can make this value red. Well, you can do this automatically by using the conditional formatting feature in Excel. So what I'll first do is select the cells that I would like to apply that conditional formatting rule to. I'm going to first click on E6 and then scroll down and hold the Shift key and click on F20. So the columns E and F, on the Home tab I'll go up to the conditional formatting icon and go to Highlight Cell Rules. I'll slide over to less than, and my rule pops up. The range is already inserted into the text box. I want to highlight cells with a value that is less than, and I'll type a 0 because negative values are all values that are less than 0. I want to format those cells with light red fill and dark red text so that it stands out. And just to let you know that anytime you highlight something in red in an Excel spreadsheet, that is something negative, so that's something bad for the company. So highlighting the negative values in red is appropriate for these two columns, and I'll click on Done. And you always want to go back and check to make sure that the rule you created is applied correctly. So yes, these two negative values should be highlighted in red, and it looks like all the other negative values are highlighted in red as well. So let's say that I have applied this rule to these two columns E and F, and I'd like to check the rule. Now if I go up here to conditional formatting and go down to manage rules, I can see the rules that apply to this cell. You'll see there's no rules that are applied to the cell in column G, but if I click into a cell in column E, say E7, you can see the rule that applies to that cell. So that means the rules that apply, the rules that you've created, apply to each cell individually. So that's the short lesson that I have on conditional formatting. Remember that if you apply a fill color or font color of red to a cell, that is something that is negative to the company or something that's bad and needs attention. So be careful when you apply that red formatting.